before we start getting deep in our topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jamil Tagol Ashmodi from BSN 1C. Before we start, let me introduce you to my group mates. First, here we have Miss Razon, and then Miss Aranas. And next there we have Mr. Cañete, and then we have Miss Caption, Miss Bukay, and Miss Capiton. And last but not least, we have Miss Anu. In the age of technology, reality is replaced by the tyranny of the thumb. This quote encapsulates the essence of our discussion today. We live in a digital age where even children are not immune to the allure of screens. Today, we're going to explore a concept that embodies this reality, the iPad kid, with exaggerated thumb muscles. Recent studies show that children's screen time has surged during the pandemic, with some children spending up to 6 hours a day on their devices. The physical implications of this are startling. Just like any other muscles with constant use, the thumb muscles can strengthen and grow. There's also a study that focuses on smartphone-related accidents in children and adolescents. It highlights the risks associated with distractions caused by smartphone use, which can lead to injuries and accidents. The study emphasizes the need for educational programs to raise awareness about safe smartphone usage among young individuals and prevent these incidents.
Let's take a look at this caricature. Notice the child engrossed in his iPad. His thumb muscles significantly larger than the rest. This exaggerated feature is not just for comic effect, but a symbolic representation of the physical changes that may occur due to excessive screen time. His posture is also bad, which is a result of his horrible screen time. So what does this mean for us? The iPad kid caricature is a stark reminder of how technology is shaping our children's lives and even their physical development. While technology has its benefits, it's crucial to balance screen time with other aspects of a child's development, like physical activity and social interaction.
Moreover, the caricature speaks discussion about the need for balance in children's life. While technology offers numerous benefits, it is essential to consider the potential drawbacks and ensure that children engage in a well-rounded range of activities, including physical exercise, social interactions, and creative pursuits.
In conclusion, the concept of the caricature is relevant as it provokes awareness and dialogue about the impact of technology on children's physical health and well-being. It serves as a reminder to find a healthy balance between screen time and other aspects of a child's development, promoting a more holistic approach to their overall growth. Let's remember, while we can escape the digital world, we can certainly manage how we interact with it.
True measure of a society can be found in how it treats its most vulnerable members. This quote resonates deeply when we consider the issue we are about to discuss. Today, we will shed light on a pressing concern: minors involved in the sex industry. This is a topic that requires our attention and understanding as we strive to create a safer and more compassionate society for all. And also, since this is currently happening Locally,
Now, you may wonder why this caricature is worth exploring. The answer lies in the importance of the rising awareness about the factors that contribute the minors' involvement in the sex industry. Factors such as poverty, peer influence, and curiosity play a significant role in shaping their experience. With that in mind, let's delve into the main body of our discussion. Our caricature focuses on the young minor, surrounded with the factors such as poverty, fears, and curiosity. The minor's thoughtful expressions symbolize their vulnerability in a complex situation.
So the factor poverty, it reminds us the economic hardships that drive some minors towards the sex industry as a means of survival. And the factor peers, it highlights the influence of friends or social circles, illustrating how peer pressure and this desire to fit in can lead them towards risky activities. And lastly, the factor curiosity signifies the natural exploration and curiosity of adolescents, which can sometimes lead minors to engage in behaviors they may not fully comprehend or be ready for. So, by visualizing these elements, we aim to create understanding and empathy towards the complex factors that contribute to minors entering the sex industry. Our goal is to raise awareness and advocate for preventive measures, support systems, and education to protect vulnerable individuals in our society.
In conclusion, it is crucial that we address the issue of minors involved in the sex industry by acknowledging the influences of poverty, peer pressure, and curiosity. We can foster empathy, understanding, and action. Let us strive to create a society that protects its most vulnerable members and provide them with the support they need. We cannot turn a blind eye to the fact that these minors are being robbed of their innocence and subjected to unimaginable harm. This must stop. Let us stand together and say no to the exploitation of minors. They deserve a chance to grow, learn, and thrive in a safe and nurturing environment.
it's tragic and heartbreaking to know that minors are being exposed to such an industry. They should be protected, nurtured, and given a chance to have a normal childhood. Instead, they're thrust into a world that can harm their physical and mental health. It's important that we, as a society, take steps to prevent this from happening and provide support and resources for those who have been affected. Education, awareness, and strong legal measures against those who exploit minors are crucial. It's also important to remember that these children are victims and they need our empathy and assistance to recover and rebuild their lives. We believe that the first education the youngsters should have is from their home, their parents, and the role of parents in guiding their teenagers about sex education is crucial. Despite the awkwardness and discomfort, it is important for parents to step up and become the primary source of accurate information about sex relationships and consent. Start early and talk often. One of the key strategies is to start these conversations early. Parents should wait until their children hit puberty to start talking about sex. Instead, they should gradually introduce age-appropriate topics as their child grows. This approach helps to normalize the topics of sex, making future conversations less awkward. Be open and non-judgmental. Parents should strive to create an open and non-judgmental environment for these discussions. Teenagers should feel safe to ask questions, express their feelings, and share their experiences without the fear of being judged or punished. This open communication can help teenagers make informed decisions about their sexual health. Use everyday situations as teaching moments. Parents can use everyday situations like watching a movie or reading a news article together to initiate conversations about sex. These casual settings can make the conversation less formal and more relatable. In conclusion, Effective communication about sex between parents and teenagers is crucial in guiding teenagers towards safe and healthy sexual behaviors. By starting the conversation early, creating a non-judgmental environment, using everyday situations as teaching moments, listening empathetically, providing accurate information, and discussing consent. Parents can play a significant role in their teenagers' sexual education. Although the conversations may be uncomfortable at times, the long-term benefits for the teenagers' sexual health and well-being are immeasurable.
Addiction to gadgets can have a various effects on youngsters. Here are a few common ones. First is social isolation. Excessive use of gadgets can lead to social isolations as youngsters may spend more time interacting with their device rather than engaging in face-to-face interactions with family and friends. Poor academic performance. Spending too much time on gadgets can distract youngsters from their studies and affect their academic performance. It can lead to decreased focus, lack of productivity, and difficulty in retaining information. Third is physical health issues. Prolonged use of gadgets can contribute to sedentary behavior, leading to a lack of physical activity. This can result in health problems such as obesity, musculoskeletal issues, and poor posture. Fourth is sleep disturbance. The blue light emitted by gadgets can disrupt sleep-wake cycle, making it difficult for youngsters to fall asleep or get quality sleep. This can lead to fatigue, difficult concentrating, and decreased overall well-being. Last, mental health problems. Excessive gadget use has been associated with an increased risk of mental health issues such as anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. It can also contribute to addictive behaviors and decreased sense of self-control. It's important for youngsters to find a balance between gadget use and other activities, encouraging them to engage in physical exercise, hobbies, and face-to-face interactions can help mitigate the negative. First is open and honest communication. Start by having open and honest conversation about the potential risks and consequences of excessive gadget use. Discuss the importance of finding a balance and the potential negative effects on their well-being and development. Second is set clear boundaries. Establish clear guidelines and boundaries regarding gadget usage. Set specific time limits for gadget use and encourage youngsters to take regular breaks from screens. Emphasize the importance of unplugging and engaging in other activities. Third is monitor and supervise. Keep an eye on youngster gadget usage and provide guidance and supervision as needed. Help them and understand the importance of responsible gadget use and the potential consequences of excessive gadget engagement. Remember, the goal is to promote a healthy and balanced approach to gadget usage by educating youngsters about the risks of addiction and providing them with the tools and support they need. You can help them develop healthier gadget habits and prioritize their overall well-being.